Oh, why is it going to the side?
Don't fear.
I'm not scared.
It's moving.
Yes, because it's alive.
How do you spend a day in Ouidah? You start by getting yourself a hotel by the beach, because that's the only way to do it in Ouidah. Then you grab breakfast and drink too much coffee as you listen to the sound of the waves crashing on the beach. Pile into your bus and hit town. Your first stop is the door of no return, a memorial arc to the thousands of slaves taken away never to return through Ouidah. Then, stop for a lunch of good old rice and stew at a nameless place because we all know they make the best food. You're in high spirits now, so you goof around a little with your team and decide to give your boss a name.
Name the boss. Let's choose a name now. Like a name, a pet name. GIGM is the name of the species, so let's give it a name. A personal, endearing name. Cardi, give me a name. Ojuku. Ojuku. The camera is not stable. That means that's choosing name. Yeah, Captain. Jesuba. Talk a name.
What?
Give it a name.
Just say yeah.
Black.
Black.
Let me see if the boss likes black.
That wins.
Then, you head to the snake temple.
It doesn't go down
Maybe
way.
inside.
Why is it at the back? Oh, why is it going to the side?
It wants to turn it around.
Okay.
Don't fear.
I'm not scared.
It's moving.
Yes, because it's alive.
No.
Wait, if it falls out, you have problem.
Before I go to the problem.
I know. When you come to terms with the fact that it won't kill you, you voluntarily pick it up. You listen to your guide in fascination as he explains that the temple isn't just a tourist stop, it's a place of worship. He talks about festivals and rituals and how the worshippers, the Vodun people, generously gave a portion of their land to the Catholic mission. As you make your way out of Ouidah, you think about the generosity and religious acceptance of the Vodun people. You head to Grand Popo and get there in time to see the sunset on its pristine beach from your hotel.
This is the whitest ever. It doesn't like you're drunk.
Thank you for coming to this show. So what is going on now that Doctor has collected 500 naira of money tomorrow?
Listen,
Bye.
I don't like insults. Give me change.